Hi, welcome back to my channel. Here's another new code. Watch out and take care.
The beautiful Marina Momono. Code JUR623. Released on January 13, 2026. And it has 140 minutes watch time. The story is about brother-in-law and his sister-in-law. The guy stayed at his brother and sister-in-law house. Apparently, the guy was having a hard time looking for a work and the guy was not in good terms with his brother. One day, while the girl was comforting the guy requested a favor to his sister-in-law. So in order for the guy to have some motivation finding a work, the guy wants to spend quality time with her. At first, the girl hesitated, but later on, she eventually agreed. So afterwards, they went to a room. They spent quality time together and the wonderful story began.
Make sure to subscribe and like and turn on notification for new codes. Thank you for watching.